So this is your second large harvest of eggplants, correct, honey?
Yes.
So as you can see, some of these eggplants are looking a bit beaten down, and that's in part because we've been having some pretty hot weather. But if the plants are also forced to maintain such a large, heavy fruit set, then they're putting quite a bit of energy into those fruits. And so what we need to do is pull our harvest, give the bed a good water, and these plants will spring right back.
While I'm picking up the eggplant, it smells like this one. I love it. I enjoy harvesting.
Well, that is quite the harvest there, sweetie. Nice work. How long did that take you?
5 minutes.
Well, that's a lot of eggplant. What are you planning on doing with all of this?
Well, I have to, some of it I have to put away in the fridge. And I have to cook this one like pakbet or like broil to make torta with egg.
Explain so that people understand, what is the torta, because they might want to make that recipe.
Oh, torta means like I have to broil, and then after that I have to peel it, smash, and I get the egg in our backyard. So just cracking up and then mixing, put some salt and pepper, and after that I have to fry it.
So do you just dip the peeled broiled eggplant in the egg yolk?
Yes.
And then you fry it in a pan?
Yes.
And then a little bit of seasoning, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Salt and pepper, that's it?
Yeah.
And so what'd you say, pakbet?
Pakbet is mix with eggplant, tomato, bitter melon, and okra.
And you just harvested some okra today as
I
well?
harvest some okra as well.
A little harvest, but enough to make at least one of your dishes, right?
Yes, I have to steam it and dip. And
Well, that's still a lot of eggplant. How long will that stay good?
for a week. Almost
So a
2
week in the
weeks.
fridge, you said?
Almost 2
On
weeks.
2 weeks.
If you want a eggplant take longer, you have to wrap by the paper. You have to wrap by the paper and put it in
The fridge?
Mm-hmm.
So I brought the scale out so we can weigh this harvest. This is our second large harvest of the season. The first one, maybe not quite as many, but still it was a big harvest. So that is 19 pounds And this bowl weighs about a pound. It's a lightweight bowl. So 18 pounds of eggplants in 5 minutes. Not bad.
Yes.
Good job.